What's going on, everybody? This is week 3 of my journey to monetization. Just documenting my YouTube progress. So if you haven't checked out the first 2 weeks, you might want to do that real quick. But yeah, let's get right into it. I think I'm gonna do things a little differently this week. I'm just going to kind of show y'all the overview of the YouTube Studio app. I really enjoy the YouTube Studio app. It's even better on like a desktop site, but even because it just gives you a whole lot of analytics, gives you a lot of things to look at, and YouTube makes it very easy, very encouraging to keep going. So if you're watching this video, I really do think that you should start a YouTube. It's been a great, phenomenal journey for me already. It's only been 3 weeks, but just the, getting behind the community, I really enjoy getting responding to people's comments, the feedback that I'm getting and stuff like that. Just, it sparks conversation in real life. People are talking about it, and it's honestly just a really good accountability partner, and it's really good as it keeps you going. It's just a really good thing as it keeps you trying to do things, it keeps you being creative. It's a good little side hobby to have, even when I'm not making money right now. So don't want to ramble about that too long. That's just my quick little side note. We're getting into the video. Like I said, I'm just going to scroll through all of my analytics and all that and kind of just show y'all how everything's been and kind of just explain. So as you can see, we are at 15K subscribers. Man, these cars be making it hard in Atlanta. But we're not 15K subscribers. I'm manifested. But we are at 15K views. The thing about YouTube Studio, it doesn't account for today's views. So today's views will roll in later. Let's see how I'm doing today. In the last 48, yeah, this one video is going very crazy. And then you can even see in the last hour what people are watching. So yeah, it's mainly just that video. I really think this ChatGPT video is going to get some traction a little bit later once it finds the right audience. The thing about me, because I am dropping videos every day this month, it's kind of difficult on the algorithm because this is what I've learned from talking to people. So essentially, the algorithm pushes out the videos to your core audience first, the people who have been watching your videos, the ones subscribed to you and everything. And I'm also, because I'm doing a lot of different niches, a lot of different topics, I'm kind of setting myself up, but I think it's going to work to my advantage in the long run because I hope to build a genuine fan base or just a genuine community, honestly, of just people who want to grow with me from different aspects and everything. So I'm sorry, my roommate just looked at me through his window. Yeah, it also just gives me an opportunity to see what kind of videos y'all really do mess with, and it really allows me to see what videos y'all mess with. It allows me to kind of explore, what's getting good feedback and what's not. So I really like the approach that I'm taking. I plan to kind of tone down and become a quality over quantity guy at the end of this month. This first month is just to get videos out there, get some analytics, get some data, and get some numbers out there. So that's why I really do like this YouTube Studio app, as we do a lot of analytics at Georgia Tech. So it's almost like I'm getting to real world apply what I'm learning in school with this app. So yeah, my watch time has went up a lot. It's mainly this one video. This one video is carrying me. I can't believe it's at 4,000 views. Thank you all so much. If you or somebody who watched that video, and especially if you liked or comment, please, while I'm on that topic, please go ahead and throw a like if you're liking this video. It's a free and easy way to really support my channel and help me get monetized, as engagement is probably the best thing for just reach and getting your videos out there. YouTube loves when people are liking, commenting, and subscribing. They love when they actually interact with your videos. So yeah. That's a little side note for the video, but while we're talking about it, please help me on my journey and go ahead and throw a quick like. But yeah, this video alone got me 38 subscribers, and it's almost at 300 hours of watch time. Hopefully that can get up to like at least 500, because I need 4,000 for the official YouTube partner program where they start paying you for ads. But there's something right here where it's like, once you get 3,000, this data is kind of old, yeah, January 13th. But once you get to like 3,000, I think you can start getting paid in certain ways, like these membership supers and all of that. I don't know. That is something that I will keep y'all in tune with, so make sure you subscribe so you can see the journey whenever it goes, because I do plan on I want to stay consistent with dropping this video every single week. So by the time it's maybe a year from now, for however long it takes, however long I continue to do it, we have literally seen the whole progress, and it's honestly going to be good for me as well. But I really hope it's beneficial for y'all, who want to see like how long did it take to, because I'm trying to give y'all the complete real and like, and that's what my whole channel is, what I'm trying to base it on. It's like I just want to be authentic and show y'all the genuine like actual grind of what it's like. I don't want to be, you know, somebody telling y'all how to do this, how to do that. I'm just showing y'all, you know, what's going on. So yep, I've got a good bit of subscribers today. I got like this one video, or when I first dropped this one video, it got me 34 subscribers. And then honestly, it's just like a bit of momentum effect. Like some of my old videos, like the Robin Hood video, will still get me subscribers. It's got a smooth 80 hours of watch time itself. So yeah, the Robin Hood video did really good. I always question it, like if I took this video more serious, how well it would do. Because I don't know if y'all have seen it, but like the lighting was literally terrible. Audio was iffy. It really was just me talking about football that people love, that, you know, got it solely content, because like the quality of the video itself was not the best at all. And people are telling me about, like, you know, have more engaging thumbnails and all that. I think honestly, for as long as I'm doing this YouTube, I plan on keeping the thumbnail simple, just because of like what I just said about, you know, I want to be real and authentic. Like yes, I'll use clickbait in my thumbnails, but I'm not and I try to make sure like my clickbait is true. Like I'll never, you know, throw something in the thumbnail that I can't, you know, genuinely elaborate on or something like that. I try to have them at least be somewhat true. And that's why I think, and honestly, I just like how easy it is to do them. And I think because I'm doing so well with like the content I'm putting in the thumbnail, like as far as like the words I'm saying and all that, I honestly think it's fine, because my click-through rates have been pretty smooth. Matter of fact, I'll go ahead and show you my click-through rate. Where is it at? Yeah, it'll be under here. So yeah, 4.5%, and it's going up. Yeah, it's been going up here recently. Like I say that in those days are bad, but yeah, I think my click-through rate is pretty good. They say anywhere from 5 to 10 is like really good. 2% and below is like the area you want to worry about, kinda. And so like anywhere between that 2 to 5, you're really doing solid. And some of my videos like this, the video that's going crazy right now, has a very high click-through rate. Let's see, yeah, 5.2%, but it's going as well. It's going up as well. Like in these recent days, it has been high. And the Robin Hood one also has a very good click-through rate. But don't just, or it's going down here recently, but still, like it had one day where it was 9.3%, which is phenomenal, and just overall 6.2% for a video that's been, you know, shown to 18,000 people, been on 18,000 feet, which is a crazy concept to think about. YouTube really gave people 18,000 people the option to watch that video. I wonder what it is for this. Like 54,000 people just seeing my face. It is kind of crazy. It's crazy because, like I said, I'm still in the early forms of this YouTube journey. And it's been nice because this is to the point where I'm actually getting a good bit of comments. I really am taking pride in, you know, responding to these comments and everything, because it is like, oh, somebody replied, I gotta do something. But I mean, I gotta reply to that one. But I'm trying to think what else y'all want to see. Like, I'm really just showing y'all videos at this point. Like, and even your videos don't have to have a super high click-through rate. Like this one's this click-through rate is going up. Would you look at that? But yeah, this video didn't really have a high click-through rate. It kind of just got higher as it went. And then that also goes back to what I was saying about just like the different style and the way that I'm doing videos by dropping every day, and I'm dropping different niches. So like, you know, my previous, like for example, if you had just watched that football video, you might not be the most interested in my YouTube video or like the ChatGPT video, but like once YouTube finds it's like the audience who is interested in that, it kind of just allows me to get different audiences and different things. And I really just want to like thrive on being a versatile, because I'm not trying to like really fit in one niche, one alley. This is actually the blue ocean strategy we learned about in class. I really am trying to like create my own alley and just be a YouTuber of authenticity and just kind of documenting the journey. Somebody who does this really well is Shelby Church. Is this one girl who kind of does like real estate, stocks, all that type. Like she showed her Airbnb grind, stuff like that. I really enjoyed the way she did it. And like Ali Abdaal is another example. He does pretty good. He's kind of versatile. He just kind of shows us everything. I mean, he's still like a true YouTuber, but Shelby Church is more a little down to earth and everything. But yeah, I just want to be like an authentic person showing y'all my grind. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video today. I'm trying to think if there's anything else y'all would want to see as far as numbers, I guess I can show y'all, the people watching my stuff. Obviously, I talk about a lot of college sports or college football, so I'm not too surprised that it's mainly male. But yeah, man, that's my update so far. If you made it this far, as always, I really do appreciate it. And y'all be good, be blessed. Go watch my Bills. Put it on the Ravens tomorrow, man. By the time you're seeing this, they probably took care of them well, which is very glad to see. And we can go ahead and take care of the Chiefs too, I hope. But y'all be good. Y'all be blessed. Peace.